can't believe I stumbled upon this abandoned Subway Surfers Lamborghini deep in the woods.
It's a Jake's Lamborghini Aventador from Subway Surfers, but it's been left to rot. Time to inspect what's salvageable. The seats are covered in dust and there's junk all over the place too. And look, someone's
Those are rusted bad. Moss has taken over the alloys completely.
everywhere. This car has a story to tell from its abandoned days. Standing back, it's clear this Lamborghini needs a full revival.
Surfer's Lamborghini out of here, so hooking up the tow and pulling her to the work.
Starting with the basics, brushing.
Those colorful decals, they're starting to show through the dirt. Moss comes off in satisfying chunks.
Dash to see what's underneath.
So, exhaust pipes hidden under all this grime.
Looking better after this initial dirt removal sweep. The red paint is peeking through. Subway Surfers' art is coming back to life.
Feels hard, rust and moss washing away.
Inside, dust turning to mud and rinsing out.
Back end getting a thorough rinse, Bo looking fresher already.
Last full rinse, she's shedding all that abandonment weight.
Just taking them out for replacement.
Side.